Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this are: Churchill demands transfer of passport officer SP Hire. Says passport office should not harass people. Court dismisses Irish petition against Babush in false affidavit case. Irish to appeal in Sessions Court. 2 youth die in a mishap at Asnora. Bus collides with the motorcycle en route to Shirgaon Jatra. Screening starts on airport. Foreigners go through medical questionnaire for swine flu. Salgaonkar Sports Club win Goa Cricket Association Super League, wrap up the season with third major trophy. Punjab Police storm into the finals of All India Volleyball Championship at Kurtori. Now the news in detail. Churchill Alemao is currently furious with the functioning of passport office in Panji. He has demanded transfer of the passport officer SB Hire. According to PWD Minister Churchill Alemao, he had been receiving numerous complaints regarding the functioning of this department. Churchill has also threatened to take a morcha on the passport office.
Candolina Dias went through a tough time after applying for passport. She told us her bitter experience from passport office.
माझे विजा 2 पाटी रिन्यू केला तो आता काय चान्सेस ना म्हणजे पासपोर्ट मेळपाची
ऑफिसर कोण तो
ऑफिसर हिरे तो होय होय एसपी तो काही रिस्पॉन्स करना म्हाका विचारले पासून हांवें म्हणलें हांव रेडी आहा तुमच्या फायन भरपा हांव रेडी आहा म्हणजे म्हाका फायन मारता न्ही ओके बट तो म्हाका कांय करना राव म्हणटा आनी एक तो तेजेले उतर उलोवपा जाय न्हू जाल्यार एक एप्लिकेशन भितर दिवपा जाय तो काहीच हें करना हे पळय 13 टू हे पळय 13 मार्च ते एप्रील हे पळय हे 2 दीस वचून आमी टायर्ड मॉर्निंग हांव 8:30 वयता ते 4:30 घरान भितर सरता सगळीं कामां सोड म्हाका जाय म्हणटा हांव भोंवतलें तुमी तो अशी करना आनी आमी कोणाचें म्हणटात तुमी ते भाशेन पयलें तुमी सांगून दिवपा जाय आसलें.
Churchill Alemao has demanded an immediate transfer of passport officer SB Hire.
More than 1,000 people are complaints, thousands. Lakhs people can complain here. And I am appealing the people of the Goa, who got a harassment of this passport officer. One day I will take the big mocha and I will send him. And I am writing the letter for the Home Minister in center. And this time I will take this issue of cabinet also.
So you are complaining to transfer him?
Yes, immediately you should transfer.
Passport officer SB Hire had this to say on the whole issue.
Work is, everything is going on smoothly. So that is why no clarification, because there is no complaint since last 8 months.
But this matter you have sent it to External Affairs Ministry.
External Affairs Ministry we are sending.
When?
Today only.
Today only?
Yeah.
Our reporter from Madgaon Samir Bhatt and from Panji Sunny Narvekar.
Chief Judicial Magistrate Crisanto Fernandez on Thursday dismissed complaint filed against Education Minister Babush Montserrat for filing a false affidavit that he was SSC passed. Iris Rodrigues has decided to go for an appeal, but at present it looks like Babush has passed and Iris has failed the initial test.
Last assembly election of 2007. Like any other candidate, Babush Montserrat also filed his affidavit in front of Election Commission stating that he is SSC passed. Later, this issue hogged the limelight as social activist advocate Iris Rodrigues filed a writ petition in JMFC against Babush Montserrat. He alleged Babush of providing false information regarding his educational qualification. On Thursday, Chief Judicial Magistrate dismissed the petition filed by advocate Iris Rodrigues. However, Iris has decided to appeal against the verdict of Chief Judicial Magistrate.
The Chief Judicial Magistrate Panjim, Mr. Crisanto Fernandez, has today dismissed my complaint that I had filed against the Education Minister of Goa, Mr. Babush Montserrat. My complaint to the magistrate was that Mr. Babush Montserrat had lied on affidavit that he was SSC from St. Teresa's High School, Bandra, Bombay, when in fact he had passed only standard 7th. My complaint was very clear. I'm really very surprised with the order of the magistrate today, but as a lawyer and as a citizen, one has to respect the order passed by the magistrate, and the option one has is to appeal against this order, which I will definitely appeal.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli.
Two youth from Ladfen Bicholi died in a fatal accident while on their way to Shirgaon Jatra on Wednesday night. This fateful accident occurred near the Asnora bridge when the motorcycle was hit by a private bus. The bus lost its control due to failure in the brake system.
Sandeep Marik and Rajat Marik from Ladfen, like any other enthusiastic individuals, were on their way to attend the famous Shirgaon Jatra on Wednesday night. But destiny had something else in store for them. Both the youngsters became victim of the accident involving a minibus and a car at Mulgaon Parar, very close to the Asnoda bridge. If we have a look at the damaged car, we can realize the intensity of the accident. Police have filed FIR against the bus driver.
9:50 सुमारी एक्सिडेंट जाल्ली. बस नेग्लिजंटली चलयता म्हणून ताजे विरोध आमी FIR घातला. ती बस तेंचें म्हणणें आसा ब्रेक फेल जालो म्हणून, मागीर तें व्हेरीफाय करचें पडटलें मॅकॅनीक RTO कडच्यान इन्स्पेक्शन करून. ती बसीन डॅश दिली एक I-10 गाडयेक GA08 E4746 आनी ती गोवन गेली. फाटसून मोटरसायकल येताली GA01L 4683 हेजेर गोवन गेली आनी तिजे रायडर आसलो तो संदीप गणपत मईक लाडफेंचो 30 वर्सांचो तो जाग्यारच अंतरलो.
Bossuet stressed on the use of helmet for personal security.
हेल्मेट हातीक घालपाचें म्हणजे ते फक्त पुलीस जेन्ना पळयताय ते फुडल्यान एनफोर्समेंटाक आसा म्हणून तेन्ना ते माथ्यार चडयताय. ना जाल्यार ते सेफ्टी पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू असो ते हेल्मेटाचोच ना आनी हे खातीर ते मरोंक पावताय.
Our reporter from Asnoda, Uday Parab.
Health Department has commenced screening of foreign tourists at Daboli Airport for any suspected swine flu cases. Though no foreigner was found positive for swine flu, Health Department has geared up all its resources to check the tourists coming to Goa on charter flights.
On Wednesday midnight, Health Department did the first check of foreign tourists at Daboli Airport. The department has made all necessary arrangements to screen any suspected flu victim. When tourists arrive on the counter, they are asked whether they have any fever, throat problem and cough, which are the main symptoms of the swine flu. Also, these tourists are asked whether they have made any visit to the affected countries in past 7 days. The screening of tourists was also done on Thursday for other foreign flights.
There's no case in Dubai. We don't have the swine flu. Don't worry, we're fine. Anything else? Do you have the swine flu?
No, not yet.
He doesn't have the swine flu.
We're looking.
You have the swine flu?
We're fine. Huh? Sorry, we can block the way, man. Yes.
Where you come from?
We come from Dubai.
And only
Delayed flight? No.
We got
Originally
delayed.
from Lebanon. It's only from Dubai.
They didn't give us masks in the airport. We're fine. I think we're secure.
At the airport, if any person is found having symptoms, then his throat swabs will be sent to the National Institute of Virology at Pune. Till the time the report arrives, the suspected victim would be asked to stay at an isolation ward at Chikali Health Center. Speaking on phone, state epidemiologist Rajendra Tamba said that no person with swine flu symptoms is found. Tourists arriving on charter flights would also be screened. Swine flu is an endemic to pigs, but in recent weeks, this H1N1 virus has infected humans. The most number of cases and deaths have occurred in Mexico in past few days. Experts say this virus is very notorious, as in 1918, N1H1 viruses had killed millions of people across Europe. Experts say the best way to stop this disease is by quarantining suspected victims. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Stay with us for the report on declining cashew production and latest crisis in Margao municipality. We will be right back.